Looks clear. Get your bandages ready, lads. No. Bandages ready, guys. Hit! Hit!
Can you make it upstairs, mate?
Hey?
Are you going to make it upstairs?
Nobody's gone for it.
Okay.
Not opposite us, no. Coming up behind.
Taking fast and really very opposite.
Yeah, running down the path. Right. Roger that. Load in a sec.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be too much money going around the tank.
No one got me, I'll walk the whole way.
Not too tight to the fence.
Friendly's directly ahead. What's the target?
2, maybe 3 on the right hand side here, by the gathering the tree.
Yeah.
By the fence line.
Yeah. Yeah.
There he is, moving left.
Who needs a medic? Oh yeah. You got a bandage or do you need one?
Four right in front of us to the left.
Fucking access. Yeah.
What is that?
Your dead rag's still out, mine. So yeah, your dead rag's still out, mate.
How far do you Afghan compound.
George, you see those couple get a medic right in front?
Yeah.
Well, I could do with some fire.
They're retreating.
Hit!
There's one guy that leaves suit still up directly in the middle, lads.
What's your call sign? What's your call sign? Love it.
George, I'm probably going to die, but there's a guy very close to our right doing what we're doing, and I want to get him. Hit! Is he safe? Did you get to him?
I think it's the same guy. I'll give you cover. Go with me.
Bandage.
Tell him to get
The bandage is on.
Oh, you just bandaged him up?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I never saw where the shot came from.
It's the same guy that got Moose. Moose saw him die.
Oh, okay.
Fuck, where's that coming from?
You've got a drag handle. Do you have a drag handle?
I'm not your
Okay.
Hit! I think that was actually the same shot.
I think it bounced off me.
And hit me, yeah.
I fucking saw it mortaring in as well. That's fucking embarrassing.
Well played, you boys, giving it good.
That's our medic.
That's our medic. Literally.
At least we haven't got far to go to respawn.
Well, we have to go forward to respawn.
Looks like Legion in there.
Most of them be downstairs. If they are any in the building, 2 got shot.
Coming in. Is everyone upstairs alive or dead? Let's go then.
On my back.
Window. I'm sorry, George, there's no way you're getting a medic there, mate. Literally, as soon as you got out and left, there's an upstairs window and he was just sat in there waiting. George didn't clear it. Clear ground floor.
Move it. You across on ground floor?
Yeah, he said it's clear. I'm going. Oh, Smav's been hit. Smav got hit on the journey.
Matt got hit on the way over.
Yeah. George, did you see where Sam got shot from? George, come in. George! Upstairs in your building. Directly above you, 2 windows over. No, he's not been hit. If you look, can you see where George is in the downstairs bit? He's upstairs in George's building. I was just getting shot into this window down here.
No, what I'm saying is, I think George can't speak, and I think he's just hitting the...
No, he can. I've just spoke to him.
Oh, okay, I can't hear it.
Yeah, the darker like plum building, right window of that. Friendly. Yeah, that one. That one. When you stood out here then, did you see any enemies down there? Moose, I need you! This crawl space here. This crawl space here. Hit!
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Don't clear!
Dude, nade. Excuse me, mate.
Oh, that's a good one.
You were stood there when that nade went off then.
Okay, cool, yeah, no worries, man.
Good play that.
Yeah, cheers. Okay, player.
Yeah.
Nice! Boring!
That was naughty, they were walking in with the...
There you go.
They're behind that blue building, isn't it? Fuck, isn't it?
I think...
Receiving you, go ahead. Still the same place, buildings before the garages. We've got a lot of dead friendlies coming back near that mortar that's firing over. Still an unclear route to you at this moment in time. All of Sam.
Yep.
Loose. Yeah. He was literally here, the edge of this building. Less than 20 metres. Shots from outside, George. Basically the doorway that you went in, there's an enemy there now.
Let's move to cover.
There was an enemy on the corner of the doorway you just went in, over. Get your bandage ready, Sam. Cover me. Why is it so hard to tie these with gloves on? Seems to have moved off. That window clear?
Yeah, just watching it now. I'm sure.
Is the building clear, George? George is inside the building clear, over. Get your bandage ready.
Upper story window.
So that perpendicular house we've been clipped from the upstairs window, over.
Window on the thin edge, obviously, straight down.
So basically we can get in through the windows but we can't go around.
You'll be able to get in through this door even, to be fair. Can you get in?
Have you got eyes, where are you? Have you got eyes on this upstairs window here? He's literally shooting us through there.
Roger that, I'll cover you. Make your way. It's the window, thin edge. Make your way.
Coming past you.
Make your way.
Hit!
Stay down. You limbo, you'll be alright. Medic.
There's literally no friendlies coming up behind us at all, it's just us.
Yeah, we're being flanked constantly because we're the only team with 0. The rest of the team are just on a wild goose chase. You're not trying to get in 0. Yeah. Doorway. Just the building. Of course. I hit him in the doorway. I think he's being dragged.
Did you hear that?
One, two, three.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it, but we can't get to them and they can't get to us.
Where are they? Right across from us.
No, they crossed on that.
Oh.
So, yeah.
So the only team we've got comms with on the opposite side of the map.
Yeah, Riley, Smart. You take this position and nail those windows. The rest of us going to take that perpendicular building across the way. What you mean, push out this door? And up to make it, up into that building. 0.
Yep.
We're pushing across to the building to the right. Come with us, Riley. Smab your cover. On that window.
Yeah.
When you're ready.
Now.
Cover.
Hit!
Take it clear as well. Both hit. Yep. I think literally as I missed it. Got you, moved to you too soon. You got me. No, shooting. Hits!
I can see him picking up the dead rag.
You motherfuckers! Well, you know, fortune favours the brave,
Yeah, that's a good idea, isn't it?
in this row building. And then once we get to the road, bomb across the road, back up. Break down the first door on time. Straight.
Directly in front. Brake left. Get your bandage ready, mate. Cover that way.
Right in the lip. Right after I pulled my fucking mask down.
Let me know if anyone rushes, George.
Are my teeth right?
Yeah. Get you a cork, is he?
Yeah, right in the fucking teeth.
I saw him crouched on the corner of that building. Was that the one
Yeah.
that shot you? Move up for a squid, Smav. I'm not sure what's going on there. That guy's definitely in, and he's definitely.
George dead?
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, I feel like this could get quite bad quite quickly. Who's got hurt?
Hit it! Right in the whoever got me then, right in the finger, little jammy shot.
Oh, motherfucker in that fucking.
I just got shot in the finger. Good effort, that.
Mother of fuck! Ah! Ah!
What a fucking
Trying to get
state.
you to loop it, so it didn't fucking
What a state. Thanks, sir.
let go for too long. Blake, you want cover?
Yeah, I'll cover.
I'll cover the corner once I'm up.
Yeah.
Are you green?
Just shoot first, ask questions later. Shoot first, ask questions later.
10th Legion?
Shoot first, ask questions later.
Yeah, the American way.
Blake, straight to the American way.
Somebody go get Riley?
Yeah. Riley, get a bandage ready. Oh, that finger shot was a fucking peach. I think it was you that came around, wasn't it? You got a bandage ready, Riley?
I know, he clarted you straight in. You literally saved your life.
I think this is falling off. Get the other push, mate. Get the other
Yeah, you already. That was a good flank by them.
Not that good because they didn't get us all, did they?
I went to let go and I literally ripped my earbud straight out my ear.
Oh.
You fuckers kept holding us over there.
Where are we going? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's just gone. Down to your head smart.
Go back on the wall. Keep advancing along the wall.
We push the other way.
If I ask you to step out, okay? If I ask you to step out away from the wall, okay?
Stay where you are, Smav.
Blake, you have to swap with me when we're getting up.
Yeah, but then I'm going to get shot.
I'll step out. Give me something like this when we're getting. Ready?
Fall back behind me.
Right, there's 4 outside the building, 3 in the building, and I don't know how many.
Let's come on, come on. Get on the shower. Alright.
Let's just make a run for the fucking front then.
No. I don't know where we're getting shot at. I literally come back from medicing Riley and you fucking ran off. I have no idea what we're doing.
We need to keep eyes around this corner or that.
Agreed. We've got friendlies behind. If we can get somebody across the street again.
There's friendlies in the fob.
Friendlies in the fob.
Yeah, there's suppression. Go across the road now. Across the road.
Yes. Hit! They fucking read my fingers from that shot a minute ago. That was a corker. It was like literally as my finger was on the trigger, it bounced right on the fucking knuckle.
You got me sweet stuff at thigh.
They did, Nick. They were there 1 minute. I saw the smoke grenade. When these guys come around the corner, I was expecting some shots to come over and nothing happened.
I mean, we haven't heard any shooting.
And 2 in the tunnel underneath the railway line. One's dead, the other one in a second.
What's it like through here? Still got friendlies through there?
I don't think so.
I haven't heard from him. He doesn't use his radio.
Riley? Someone's gonna have to go through. Someone just got hit in there, didn't they? What did that bang?
Hey?
What bang was through there?
Don't know.
Hey!
He bandaged. I'm dead! Get play coming through!
Here's one, mate. Here's one.
Medic!
Medicum. Yeah, hit! Good effort. Nice one.